All right, we are finding angles level 1. This is a review of our transversals cutting through parallel lines. We want to mark everything exactly how they're listed in the diagram. Okay, we have AB line is parallel to CD line. AB line is parallel to CD. So this and these are parallel. We have to mark them. Check. EF is parallel to GH. EF, this line right here, is parallel to GH. We want to use like kind of a different parallel symbol, so it's like two arrows on it. Check. Measure of ILK angle, so we're looking for K. IKL, there we go, not ILK, IKL, check, is 63. That one's marked right here to help us focus. Find IJL. IJL. We're looking for what is this one right here. Okay, so we got to bounce around a little bit and kind of figure it out. So we'll just go ahead and do that. All right, so let's see. All right. It's kind of like a trail or a maze. This is the transversal cutting between this parallel and this parallel. So by that means these two have to match right here. All right. That would be, it's kind of like a, I don't know, same side of an inside and an outside. These match because these are parallel. Okay. And then I would look at, I'll change colors a little bit. So now I'm looking at this transversal cutting through these two parallels. So that means this one right here and this one right here have to match. This one I do know the name. This is alternate interior. Alternate interior. All right, so then that means that this IJL is going to be 63. So this one and this one match. They're 63. Okay, that's corresponding. I was trying to remember. It's matching in the same place, corresponding angles. And then by alternate interior angles, this one is also 63. All right, so we got corresponding angles and then alternate interior. Okay, that's how we got there. Answer, 63. Let's see, how'd they do it? Alternate interior, okay, and then corresponding, I bet. Corresponding, yep, so exactly what we did. Just different order, but it's exactly the same vocabulary. Let's see if the next one's any different. All right, each one of these is kind of, this one is a little bit different, so let's try it. All right, in the diagram below, so we want to mark everything. That's kind of the same. AB is the same as BD line. AB line, this one right here, is the same thing as BD line. Okay, so that means if the sides are the same, these angles are the same. But we can go. And BC line. BC line. BC line is right there. Okay. Measure of angle A is 24. Find measure of angle C. All right. So I would say this one and let's see. Those sides match. So that means these angles have to match. So this one's now 24 degrees. I don't know if that's going to help us. Just linking things together. So all the angles in a triangle have to add up to be 180 degrees. So I know that this 24 plus this 24 plus this, I'll call it a double angle right here. So plus this double angle all has to equal 180 degrees. I don't really like that blue. Let's change it to red. So this is 48 plus this double angle equals 180 minus 48 minus 48. So this is now equal, our double angle is equal to 132, I believe. 70, 80. Yep, 132. So I know now this one's 132. These are on the same line right here. So all the way across, this one right here has to total 180. It's on the same line. So then basically I'm looking for now, I'm going to change colors, do a little bit of a pink here. This one's going to be a 1, 2, 3 angle. So this double angle plus this triple angle, all of those have to equal 180. They're supplementary. They're on the same line. The double angle is 132. Plus the triple angle is the one we're looking for. 1, 2, 3. This is equal to 180. Minus 132 minus 132. So this is 48. Triple angle is 48. All right, almost there. So I found out this one is 48. And so this one, these two have matching sides again. So I'll give this like a 1 tick. And this angle is a 1 tick. They have to match. The angles have to match when the sides are matching. And so almost there. So we got our triple angle plus our 2 single tick angles. They're all 3 angles in this triangle have to equal 180 degrees. So the triple angle was 48 plus 2 times the single tick angle equals 180 minus 48 minus 48. This is now equal to, I'm doing my work over here now. So we have 2 times the single tick angle is equal to 132. 40, 70, 80, yep. Then divide by 2. Divide by 2. Single tick angle is equal to, let's see, 2 goes into 132, 66 times. All right, single tick angle is 66. So that's our measure of angle 3, or C. I got 66. So we had to bounce around to make sure, and that's the true for both of them, but that's the one we want. All right, so 66 on this one. All right, so it's just a matter of like kind of bouncing around. Let's see how they did it. Yes, matching, then 132, and then supplemental 48, and then solving got 66. Everything's the same. All right, they kind of solve it in like one step. It's a lot easier just to plug things in. All right, and it's going to be the same here. These are the parallel lines, so it looks like they're all going to be similar to what we've just been doing.